Call forwarding allows you to forward calls to a destination other than voicemail. Enable call forwarding or change your voice portal busy and no answer settings. To enable this feature, press the More Options icon. Then press Features. Tap Call Forward. Please note, on the CP930W phone, you'll need to use the arrow or directional keys to get to the Features icon. Call forwarding options to include Always Forward, which will forward all incoming calls to a specified forward to destination. Busy Forward, which will only forward calls if your line is busy. No Answer Forward, which will forward calls when the Do Not Disturb feature is enabled or you don't answer the call. Select the call forwarding you wish to enable, then use the touchscreen or press the Switch soft key to switch the setting to On and enter the phone number to which to forward calls. Press the checkmark soft key when you're done. You'll see the forwarding indicator on the home screen. Please note, when configuring No Answer Forwarding, you must also select the number of seconds before the call is forwarded. To configure, select Call Forward, then No Answer Forward. Enable the feature and enter the number to which to forward calls. Then, in the After Ring Time box, select the number of seconds it would take to forward calls. You can choose from 0 to 120 seconds. Make your selection and select the checkmark soft key when you're done.